So I'm going to make my husband a salad today to go with my leftovers from the Texas Roadhouse. But you can't put too many of these greens. So I'm going to get a few greens, real tender ones, from up in here. And maybe a couple of leaves off of this cauliflower. They are so good in a salad. And maybe a couple of broccoli leaves. They're really good in a salad too. And one of these kale leaves. And then I'm going to chop them all up and mix them with some lettuce. These are real tender leaves. Really don't take much. That's why it's so nice to come out to the garden and do it, because it doesn't take much. You can have a nice salad. So I'm making a salad to go with my leftover Texas Roadhouse lunch. Nice piece of pork there. Okay, that's all chopped up and ready to go into the pan with the barbecue sauce. This is the kind of sauce my husband likes. Well, if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. That's that leftover Texas Roadhouse pork chop. The meal was so big, I had 2 pork chops, and this is what's left over. I can almost taste it. I can almost taste it. Like burnt ends.